Hello everyone, I am Vidyottama Mishra, PGT Chemistry from KB number 1, Roorkee. I am going to start a new chapter of Surface Chemistry part 2. Part 2, that is colloidal state. Before colloidal state we have already done in this chapter adsorption and its phenomena, catalysis and other examples of adsorption. In this chapter, in this part of chapter, we will study about the colloidal solutions. Colloidal solutions are a special type of solution in which the particle size is different. As in unit 2, we have already known about the solutions. Binary solution in which one is solute and other is solvent. Now we will start a new type of solution which is slightly different from true solution. It is based upon particle size. Colloidal is a heterogeneous system in which substance is dispersed as very fine particles in another substance called dispersion medium. Such like in true solution, there are two parts, solute and solvent. Similarly, in colloidal solution, there is also two parts, dispersed phase and dispersion medium. So how can we classify true solution and colloidal solution? That is simple, based on particle size. If the range of particle size is less than 1 nm, then the solution is known as true solution. And if the particle size is between 1 to 1000 nm, these are colloids or colloidal solution. And if the particle size is greater than 1000 nm, then it is known as suspension. Here is the properties of solution, colloids and suspension. We can easily classify on the basis of particle size, less than 1 nm, 1 to 1000 nm and greater than 1000 nm. It is homogeneous in nature. Homogeneous means equally mixed, all uniformly mixed, but colloidal and suspension are heterogeneous, that means not uniformly distributed among the solution. Do not separate upon standing. Means अगर आप true solution आपने वाटर में salt ऐड कर दिया, उसको आप थोड़ी देर तक डिसॉल्व करने के बाद थोड़ी देर तक रख देंगे तो उसमें salt जो है वो सेटल नहीं होगा. Colloidal also they do not get separated, but अगर आपने वाटर में सैंड को थोड़ा डिसॉल्व कर लिया है और आप उसको थोड़ी देर तक रख देंगे तो वो पूरा का पूरा सैंड जो है वो सेटल हो जाएगा, दैट इज सस्पेंशन. अब कोलाइडल का एग्जांपल हम लेंगे मिल्क या ब्लड, आप कोई भी ले सकते हैं. आप पानी में स्टार्च को डिसॉल्व कर लीजिए, दैट इज अ solution of colloidal solution in which particle size do not get separated upon standing. True solution cannot be separated by filtration. Similarly, colloidal also cannot be separated, but suspension can be separated. And do not scattered light, means when light is passes through true solution, colloidal or suspension solutions, true solution do not scattered light. लाइट का पाथ भी हमें दिखाई नहीं देता. अगर हम पानी में से किसी भी लाइट को, व्हाइट लाइट को पास कराएंगे तो we can't see the path of light. We will discuss it in colloidal. Next is the classification of colloidal. Colloids are classified on the basis of three categories. First category is physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Means solute का फेज क्या है, सॉलिड लिक्विड गैस, और सॉल्वेंट का क्या है, सॉलिड लिक्विड गैस. एंड नेक्स्ट इज द नेचर ऑफ इंटरेक्शन, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फोर्स, स्ट्रॉन्ग है, वीक है, इन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस. एंड थर्ड टाइप ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन, टाइप्स ऑफ पार्टिकल्स, विच टाइप ऑफ पार्टिकल, माइन्यूट साइज, मैक्रो साइज, और इन बिटवीन द माइक्रो एंड मैक्रो साइज. ठीक है. सो we will start from the classification based on the physical state. So if dispersed phase is solid and dispersion medium is solid, then जो colloidal form होगा that is solid soul. And example we can take at gem. जेम स्टोन जो होते हैं जिनको आप कहते हैं नग, ठीक है, Next is solid in liquid. When dispersion medium is liquid and dispersed phase is solid, that type of colloid is known as sol, and examples are blood, ink and paint. Next is solid in gas. When dispersed phase is solid, dispersion medium is gas, that type of colloid is known as aerosols, or example is smoke. Next is liquid in solid. When the dispersed medium is liquid and dispersion medium is solid, that colloid is known as gel, and we can take example of jam, jelly. These are the example of gel. Next is liquid in liquid, that is known as emulsion. In emulsion we can take example milk, cream, cold cream, shaving cream. These all are the example of butter. These all are the example of emulsion. Next, liquid in gas, that is also known as aerosol, and common example is moisture, liquid in gas, or you can say cloud. Next is gas in solid, that is known as solid sol. In previous part adsorption, you have already studied about the silica gel, which is a main source of adsorbing gases, that is gas in solid. And last one is gas in liquid, that example is foam. Any type of foam generated by soap or in coffee or in cake. And by combining all these type of example, we get a table in which I have taken type of colloid and examples. Next type of classification is depending upon the nature of interaction, dispersion phase and dispersion medium. Which type of interaction? इसी के बेस पे हम इसको क्लासिफाई करेंगे लायोफिलिक एंड लायोफोबिक, मीन्स सॉल्वेंट लविंग और सॉल्वेंट हेटिंग. If water has a dispersion medium, it can term as hydrophilic or hydrophobic. So first of all, we will talk about lyophilic colloid. Lyophilic by the name, these are liquid loving, that means easily will get mixed with dispersion medium, just like starch, rubber, gelatin. They can easily mixed, that means they can be formed by easily mixing of substance. So when they are easily mixed, so they can be separated from this by the simple method, or by, you can say, by the evaporation. So these sol are also known as reversible sol. Next type is lyophobic colloids. Lyophobic, that means liquid hating. Substance like metal, when metal is dissolved in any dispersion medium, in water, could you say that metal get dissolved in water? No, it not easily get dissolved in water. So this type of colloidal solution cannot be prepared by simple method. So we have to use a special method, जिसको हम बाद में अभी पढ़ेंगे. So these such sol are known as lyophobic sol. जब ये इजीली प्रिपेयर नहीं होते हैं तो ये क्या होते हैं, इजीली प्रेसिपिटेट हो जाते हैं. अगर हमने बना भी लिया तो इजीली प्रेसिपिटेट हो जाएंगे, दैट मीन्स नॉट स्टेबल. एक बार प्रेसिपिटेट हो गए तो इनको हम दोबारा डिस्पर्जन मीडियम डाल करके इनको हम कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन में प्रिपेयर कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते. दीज आर इरिवर्सिबल सो, और इनको हमें स्टेबल करने के लिए इनको प्रिजर्व करना पड़ता है. इसमें हम लायोफिलिक सोल ऐड करते हैं जिससे कि ये स्टेबलाइज रह सकें. नाउ नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन इज बेस्ड ऑन द टाइप ऑफ पार्टिकल्स. 3 टाइप्स में क्लासिफाई करेंगे, मल्टी मॉलिक्यूलर, मैक्रोमॉलिक्यूलर एंड एसोसिएटेड. फर्स्ट इज मल्टी मॉलिक्यूलर. मल्टी मीन्स बहुत सारे. व्हेन बहुत सारे मॉलिक्यूल्स एग्रीगेट होकर एक लार्ज डायमीटर का, लार्ज साइज का मॉलिक्यूल प्रिपेयर करते हैं, तो दैट टाइप ऑफ कोलाइड्स आर नोन एज मल्टी मॉलिक्यूलर कोलाइड्स. सो मल्टी मॉलिक्यूलर कोलाइड का एग्जांपल हम ले सकते हैं S8, in which 8 molecule of sulfur get aggregate together to form a large size of molecule, and this molecule come in the range of colloidal. So this type of colloid is multi-molecular colloid. Next is macromolecular colloid. In this colloid जो molecules हैं उनका size already इतना बड़ा होता है कि वो colloidal range में आ जाता है. Therefore these colloid are stable because the size is large in the respect of true solution. For example, all the polymers, either natural or man-made. Next is associated colloids. Associated colloids are special types of colloid. At low concentration they behave as normal, and normal means electrolyte, but at higher concentration they exhibit colloidal properties because of the aggregation of particles. Simple example is soap. We have already known about the micelles formation, but a particular temperature is required for the micelles formation, that is known as Kraft temperature, and the minimum concentration is required, that is known as critical micelles concentration or CMC. That is the micelle of soap. And in class 10th also we have already studied about the mechanism of micelles formation, that soap has two parts. One is long fatty chain part, hydrophilic, and other is ions, that is hydrophobic, and they can form micelles. And I have also summarized all these three types of colloid in a tabular form as I have discussed earlier. Now next is the preparation of lyophobic salt. As I have already discussed that lyophobic salt cannot be prepared easily, so we used different type of method. Basically two type of methods are used. First is condensation method and other is dispersion method. Condensation means होता है जोड़ना, dispersion means होता है break होना. तो पहले हम यूज करेंगे condensation method, aggregate form. So aggregate form के लिए हम chemical method basically यूज करते हैं. Chemical method में सबसे फर्स्ट हम oxidation method, सल्फर कोलाइड जनरली प्रिपेयर होते हैं. H2S के आप O2 से रिएक्शन कराएंगे, then it will form H2O and the sulfur will form in H2O, that is colloidal solution of sulfur. Next is the reduction. सिल्वर कोलाइड है, H2 पास करेंगे तो रिडक्शन हो जाएगा Ag2O plus H2, then it forms H2O plus Ag, that means colloidal solution of silver is obtained. Third is hydrolysis. FeCl3 को वाटर में ऐड कर देंगे, then it forms FeOH whole thrice का सोल and HCl. Next is the double decomposition. आर्सेनिक सल्फाइड है, इसको हमें H2S से पास कराते हैं तो डबल डिकम्पोजिशन होता है, AS2S3 का सोल्ट प्रिपेयर होता है. नेक्स्ट इज द एक्सचेंज ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. जनरली फॉस्फोरस का कोलाइडल हम इससे प्रिपेयर करते हैं. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे कि इसमें हम फॉस्फोरस में अल्कोहल ऐड कर देंगे. अल्कोहल ऐड करने के बाद जो कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन प्रिपेयर होगा दैट इज ऑफ colloidal solution of phosphorus. So in this, and next is the preparation of lyophobic salt by the dispersion method. And in dispersion method we will use two methods basically, Breadit arc method. In this method we will form the colloidal solution of metals. Metals means like silver and gold, platinum. For this we take a beaker and 2 electrode of gold, and high electric current is passes through them, then an arc is formed between them. So this metal is dissociate into dispersion medium and it do not get evaporized, so that we take into ice bath and we get the metal into dispersion medium and colloidal solution of gold or silver. And next is peptidization. Peptidization is a process in which precipitate convert into colloidal solution by adding any suitable electrolytes. So these are the preparation of colloidal solution. In next part we will study about the properties of colloidal solution. Thank you.